Hey everybody, this is Tom, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Canon EOS 630 film camera. This looks, it is it's a little old, but it looks sort of, you can tell where Canon got their DSLR design. It definitely is a forerunner of that. This comes with a 40mm f2.8 lens. This is a fixed pancake lens. It's called a pancake lens because it's so small. It is autofocus. Okay, so here's something, like I said, these cameras are kind of old, and you need to be especially careful of this little knob there that we use to turn the camera on, turn it on to A, and it is on. You can see here that it's come on, and it's set to AV, aperture priority, 5.6. You can see how the lens focuses there. Sounds like that. Now, if I wanted to change the mode, I can push mode and I can change this. TV is shutter priority. AV is aperture priority. P is all manual. You don't want that. I'm sorry, P chooses everything. You don't want that. M is all manual, where you would have to adjust the shutter. If you push this button in here, you can then adjust the aperture. Okay, down here there's a little door where we have battery check, 3 bars, that's good. Single, continuous, and self-timer. If I push that, I can change that to continuous. Sounds like that. Single is probably a good place to be. This is autofocus. Push that. I get one shot, or AI servo. AI servo means it's always kind of sort of focusing, whereas one shot, it will lock onto something. And then if you need to rewind the film, you can do that right there. That's just in that little door. Okay. Loading this film is pretty straightforward. I got an old roll of film here. We're going to take that, put that in there, and then pull that over to the orange. Tuck that in, close it up. Now, this old roll of film is rated at ISO 3200, so it read it as 3200. Okay, so now I can, well, let me show you how quickly we can pound through a roll if we do it on continuous. Okay, so here goes. And then it automatically rewinds. Now it is going to rewind it all the way in. Downside of the camera, but it's one of those things that we've got ways to open the cassettes in the darkroom, so that's not a problem. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Again, if you're on manual, you'll use this little button here to change. You gotta make sure it's pushed all the way in, and it lights up. Yeah. It's not wanting to. There we go. And then do that. Now, if I go here to aperture priority, all I have to do is just adjust that there. Okay. Again, that's the Canon EOS 630. Any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. Thanks.